This video is going to focus a little bit on my cutting board clamp fixture. This was built out of necessity. I do not own any bar clamps or long bar clamps. I had a desire to build a cutting board. Scrap lumber, basically some 3/4 inch plywood, 2x4 material, a couple that are ripped down to 1.5 inches square, another piece of 2x material that's approximately 3 inches wide. There's also drilled with 9 3/8 16. These are 4-inch, I believe, bolts. I have drilled holes in these sideboards that are corresponding to each other at 1 inch apart. I've also made these pins. Once these two are slid in here, this fixture locks in any position. So what I like to do is glue up my panels in succession, not in one complete series. I will glue 2 blanks together, let it dry, move my fixture back, glue 2 more. So I'll do 2 glue joints at a time. I do that so I can achieve a flatter glue up blank, and I risk less shifting of my pieces of stock. If I were to glue all 7 of these and then clamp it together, I risk some of these blanks shifting up or shifting down, and then I have to do more planing or sanding. I do have a 3-dimensional model in my computer that I've designed of this cutting board clamper. My plan is to do a 3-dimensional rendering video of how this was put together. 3D animation of how this was completely built with fasteners and everything, and almost in a timeline type fashion. Let me know in the comments if you think that would be an interesting video. So thanks for joining me today, guys, here at Making Sawdust and this footstool project. Remember your tips on proper milling, proper glue ups. You'll be able to achieve fairly flat glue ups, which is going to save you time in sanding. I am going to start sanding this board, take out a couple little high spots, and I have an inlay that's going to go in next. That is going to be in the 3rd video. We are going to do the inlay with an exotic hardwood, and we are also going to do the border with some cherry. So stay tuned for that video. We will be finishing up this board, and it's going to go on to the next location for that collaborative build. So thanks for joining us. Get out in your shop and start making some sawdust.